Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna give you some instructions and some information about how to get Temu coupon bundle. Let's talk about how to get a Temu coupon bundle and save even more on your purchases. The first step is to create or log in to your account, and to do that you have to install the Temu app via Play Store if you're using Android, or App Store if you're using mobile. Just go to your Play Store and then search for the Temu app and then install it. Now if you're using a computer, you can use the Temu website via your web browser. Now once you install the app, you have to log into your account, and to do that just click on the profile icon in the bottom middle and click on sign in and register, and sign in using your account, whether you're using your Google account or an email or another account. Now once logged in, look for bundle offers, and to do that navigate to the coupon or rewards sections. Temu often offers bundles where you can claim multiple coupons at once. Some bundles might include discounts for specific categories or general savings on your total purchase. After you find the bundle, complete the tasks or challenges by participating in an-app activities like daily check-ins, games, or challenges to unlock coupon bundles. And the fourth final thing is to, as you can see, when you access the coupon and offers option, it tells you that you have to sign in. I didn't sign in yet, but these options and these tasks will appear if you sign in using your account. Now for the final step is to claim your bundle. And to do that, once available, claim the bundle and check the detailed for applicable conditions like minimum purchases, amounts, or expiry dates. And use coupon bundles strategically to maximize savings on larger orders, and check the app regularly for new bundles or limited time offers. Also, you can stack your coupons with other discounts or flash sales for better deals. And that's it for today's tutorial. These were some informations about how to get Temu coupon bundle. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.